In the previous classes, we have already discussed about electric power and their SI unit. The SI unit of electric power is watt, but practically it is very small unit. So its bigger unit is used, that is kilowatt. One kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Kilo means thousand. We have to understand that at every place, if kilo is used, kilo means 1000. Here 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. Dear students, commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 1 hour. That is 1000, and as we know about watt, joule per second, and in 1 hour we know that there are 3600 seconds. This second is being cancelled by this second, so it is here 20 and from here 30 joule. In scientific notation, we know that only one digit should be at the left hand side of decimal point, so it will be written like this: 3.6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 here 6 joule. This unit, commercial unit of electric power, is kilowatt hour. This is also known as in our homes unit. This is equal to 1 unit. In our electric boards, the electrical energy is consumed and denoted there by units. Students, as I have already told you in the previous classes, that this class will be very much important for you all, because this will be the summary class where you will learn all the formulae and its importance, its uses. So come to the point where we will learn some important formulae from this electricity chapter of class 10 physics. This is the first chapter of our syllabus. The first formula is I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. Second one is V is equal to W by Q. Third one is V is equal to IR. The fourth formula is R is equal to rho L by A. The fifth formula is RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and if the number of the resistors are more, then we will add them forward. The sixth formula is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, And if the number of the resistors is increasing, then we will add them reciprocally here. Seventh formula is H is equal to I square RT is equal to QV is equal to VIT. Eighth formula is P is equal to VI I square by R. Sorry, I square R. I square R V square by R. Okay. The ninth formula is Q is equal to NE, where N is a whole number